and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 18-plate Volkswagen Golf. The model itself is a 7.5 one, so the facelifted Golfer. This has been highly modified. It is stage 2, running between 380 and 400 brake horsepower with the tuning on the gearbox and engine done via RACINGLINE. But taking a close look right now, we're finished in this lovely black metallic paintwork. You've got the LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, lovely chrome detailing in the centre grille, front parking sensors on this one as well, and then we've got this lovely MAXTON front lip spoiler finished in just a solid plastic with these lovely side skirt extensions on the side there. Coming in down the driver's side, you've got these lovely aftermarket carbon fibre mirror caps on the vehicle. You've got rear privacy glass on this one as well. We're riding on these 19-inch OZ Racing Alloy Wheels, and they're wrapped in Michelin Pilot tyres all round. You've got the lovely massive upgrade of the RACINGLINE stage 2 big brake kit. That was costing in excess of a couple of grand. Coming in through to the rear, you've got the RACINGLINE rear disc and pads in this as well, and then as we come through to the rear, you've got this aftermarket rear spoiler, which is an OETTINGER style one, all in lovely order. You've got the LED rear lights, rear parking sensors on this one as well. You've got this lovely massive rear diffuser on the rear with the full MILTEK turbo back exhaust, and it's got the lovely titanium blue tips on it as well. But like I said, all in lovely order through. Coming in into the rear, plenty of luggage space with it being the Golf R. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. The previous owner of the vehicle has kept in these RACINGLINE rear pads for the rear. Space saver spare wheel and toolkit. So as like I said, it did come in Partex on a RS3 we had in stock. And like I said, the owner was a meticulous guy. He's done all the modifications to it. And then like I said, all in lovely order throughout, again with a matching Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres all round. But then jumping inside then, I'll show you through to the rear first. So you've got the lovely black cloth and Alcantara seats with the contrast white stitching there, all in lovely order in the back. Same with the rear seats. Genuine set of tailored floor mats. As we then come into the inside of the vehicle, like I said, inside's all pretty much standard. 4 electric windows, electric Powerfold mirrors, condition of the driver's seat, that is all in lovely order. Same with the passenger seat, again all in lovely condition. Like I said, with it being the 7.5, you get all the digital cockpit, auto lights, cruise and limit control on there as well, silky smooth DSG gearbox again. Like I said, that has been mapped as well with the RACINGLINE software, full digital cockpit. And then if we flip through, you've got your assist settings. You can have navigation displayed in the centre clock, like so. Like I said, all in lovely order throughout. Both keys are supplied with the vehicle as well. And then coming through to the radio, it's all the newer style touchscreen, so full DAB radio, media input is aux, USB, Bluetooth audio and CD player, full phone connectivity. If we pop it into reverse, you've got your front and rear sensors displayed like so. Back to navigation, you can have it in your screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, full dual zone digital climate control with heated front seats. Extended storage down here with your USB and aux input, and if you click mode, you've got your different driving modes as well. So you've got eco, normal, race and individual. So when we go into individual, you can change all the settings, so your steering, your drive, your air conditioning, your cornering lights, and then your engine sound as well. Auto hold assist front cup holders, which can be hidden. Lovely front centre armrest with extended storage, and boot pack is present as well. But I'll quickly show you under the bonnet now. So with it being the stage 2, you've got the full OETTINGER intercooler on this one as well. You've got the RACINGLINE R600 intake system as well, which again is a couple of £100. Like I said, all in lovely order there as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.